call my name. Call my name. 212 key and 9. Here goes 212 down.
Hey, train driver, you said call his name. 212 key, no. 212 key, no. 212, bye-bye.
Okay. Hey, man, when the guy to California, 212. Ain't on the driver now. 212 down.
Hey, 212, you said that bad when they want to, but you ain't got no damn driver, no 212, bye-bye.
Broke it down. They took me to 212, got my ears jammed up closed out, talking to my technician out here on the coast. Barry White, way out west, top side of the border, is getting on down and gone.
Hey, 212, watch him. Watch him, 212. He said a little bit more, a little bit more. Hey, watch train driver, 212, 410.
Crazy chicken doing a crazy chicken dance around Los Angeles is crazy, goddamn.
Little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, 212, 212. I can't think I got my radio. Hey, train driver, you got my radio right there, train driver, 410.
Jim, I'm gonna try to wave a small hand right back around Georgia, around the backwoods. Worldwide windjammer. Barry White out west, wait.
Yeah, you said let you know, he didn't key, he didn't key. Hey, train, he didn't key, 410.
And I'm away right back, Superman. It's rough and tough, Cottonbigger, but you got it going on. Mr. Superman in that modified phone book, The Caretaker Tombstone. Barry White way out west, top side of the WJ border, wave and got down and gone.
On you. Alright, Triple G around South Carolina. Kid Dynamite around Northern Carolina.
Right back, train. Cottonbigger, I gotta talk to my doggone radio. Cause you came in there with that heavy artillery, man, and you cleared the Cottonbigger path right to my doggone radio. Welcome to the weekend, worldwide train drivers. Barry White out west, waving right back. I got down. And that's right, while you running things over on the east side. You told me to tell them boys over here on the east side that you running things, this particular 1036. Worldwide train driver Barry White out west got down and gone.
Hey, Barry, alright. I run things to my Kevin boss, man. I run things to my boss, man. Come out here. Hey, Barry White, I run things to my boss, man. Come out here. Barry White, my train, bye.
You running things till your boss man 229 come out? You running things till your boss man 229 coming out. When he comes out, Lord knows that Cottonbigger ought to be smiling, grinning ear to ear, cause you making him proud. Train driver, welcome to the weekend. Have a blessed day. Worldwide train driver Barry White on the coast, way out west, running his 809 technology outfit. You right.
Go. I'm at a phone. My 809 technology.
Bye. And that's a Willie James Raya. Bye, boo. And that's a Raya. And Superman, like I tell you every Cottonbigger morning, and do it throughout the day. Put that axe handle up. Put that Cottonbigger back in the holder and don't be putting it across the fat part of Cottonbigger's ashtray. Superman, Barry out west, got down and gone. You cut that out. 212. You cut that out, Cottonbigger. You taking over my Cottonbigger radio right around now. 212, Barry out west. Told you I got down and gone.
Let us say train driver. Hey, man, what you want to say train driver? Hey, man, what you want to say train driver?
Charge it to my head and I'm a hard train driver. I got caught up in the cotton picking sauce. I meant to say train driver. You cut that out, train driver. Boy, he got down and gone.
Don't blame me, blame Willie James. Don't blame me, blame Willie James. Blame Willie James. Blame Willie James. Hey, man, wait, with the train with the Willie James. Bye, bye, bye.
You said don't blame you, blame Willie James. You said don't blame me, blame Mr. Willie James Technology. And Lord knows that cotton picking technology is working. Train driver, enjoy the weekend. Kiss the queen and blessings around your household from me and mine to you and yours. Worldwide, world-class train driver, Barry White, Maestro out west. I'll see you, bye. And I hope I didn't mash your thumb. I bumped it down once.
Sure sound good this morning, train driver. Hey, train driver, 300 say your show sound good this morning on 300 Westside is gone.
Later, my friend on that end, Mr. Worldwide Train Driver, Barry White, Maestro on the coast. I'll see you, bye.
410 train driver, 410 stomp. 410 train driver, 410 stomp. Man, I hope y'all have a beautiful morning on 300 just passing through. I'm back quiet.
Hey, Superman, crazy chicken. Hello, Superman. Crazy chicken Los Angeles. Superman, crazy. Good morning, wave.
Game changer. Your tag team partner on the coast, Barry.
410 stomp. 410 stomp. I heard you also, train driver. Stomp, you take care while you're doing that left hook around the bell, and train driver will bump it down on your high dab later, man. I'm going to ease this thing back, put it on the quiet side. I normally do my little roll call this morning, but there was so many people out there this morning, I couldn't really pull out much. But hello to y'all. Good morning, Mr. 300 Westside. Got down, got down.
From all appearances on that cotton picking station, cotton picking, you doing just fine. Tell you later. My tag team partner around OH10, Mr. 42.5, the game changer. Your tag out on the coast.
410 Stomp, you say welcome to the weekend, welcome to the weekend to you and the fine family. And doggone it, I appreciate that key up, key down, Stomp. It's always good to hear from you. Sounded some kind of wonderful coming out of the bell. Hello to you also, Superman. I heard y'all tell in of that, so I'm gonna wave your way also. Hey, Stomp, 300, got down. On the banks with that left hook. Man, they sound good to you right there. Hey, you sound good too, Stomp. We've been doing this a long time. And going like no time to do it. Take care, Stomp. God bless, Mr. 300. Getting on down.
Hey, Black Stallion. Cotton picking, it's been 5 or 6 years since I put the speaking.
Big boss. Let me get out of the way, Mr. California, big boy.
Man. Mr. Black Stallion, Smoky Hills, your friend, Slick 50, a.k.a. Barry White on the West Coast.
410 Red Eye Crow. 410 Red Eye Crow. Yeah, I'm getting close to you. You're getting close to me. That cat big as Superman key down calling Mr. 809 and doggone plug my ears, brother. And he come up in there real nice and clean. Hey, Red Eye Crow, while you flying by, 300 said I saw that one eye. I'm gone. Bye-bye.
Well, Black Stallion, blessings from my household to yours, cat nigga. You put a smile on my face and you put the cherry on the top. So
hey, train driver, what do you mean do I want you to whoop the boys on the east side? Hey, train driver, that's your prerogative, my friend. I mean, you do what you gotta do. Hey, train driver, I don't want you to be able to blame it on me, train driver. 300 is gone.
Barry White, sometimes called Slick 50 on the coast, waving right back in our
410, well, I just turned the water gate on, and then that cat big stop key down. As soon as I turn it on, stop key down and say, they got to do what they want to do. Hey, train driver, then he came back in there, but went to east side on hold at 410.
The two doggone close to the top. Got 144 in the cornfields of Indiana. Barry White, a.k.a. Slick 50, the maestro way out west, waving right back at that down.
Hey, train driver, who you talking to? Hey, train driver, you the only person I can make out in my radio, man. It's all hash and trash and noise in my damn radio. Hello, train driver. Mr. California want to know who you talking to, train driver, break.
You gonna bring the real M out, and I'll tell you what, he ain't joking either, cause...
Yeah, 410, I was wondering who you talking to, man, because I can't hear nothing. Thank you, white train driver, Mr. California, train driver, bye.
Like 144, you ain't Q-sewing. You broadcasting out of the cornfields, and I want to wave a weekend wave and hope everything is blessed around your cotton big and 2x4s and stack of bricks. Doc 144.
410 on that, hey, train driver, 410 on that, you're totally right, 410. You're totally right. Thank you, white train driver. You know, I don't care about California, you're on that way.
I don't care about nobody else coming up in there. They can do what they want to do, unless they take my cue, so I ain't going nowhere.